Hey everyone, welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. Today we have the iPhone XR with us, and in this video we'll be checking out its camera. So on the iPhone XR, as you can see, there is a single rear camera which is a 12 megapixel camera, and on the front here you get a 7 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's check out the camera app on the iPhone XR. Let's check out some of the features that are available on the camera app of the iPhone XR. Now the first thing here is the portrait mode. So you have three features for the portrait mode. One, this is the natural light, this is the normal portrait mode. Then you can also use it in studio light, and the other one that comes on the iPhone XR is contour light. Now some more features here include square images, then panorama images and videos as well. Now moving to the left, you have the slow motion videos, and on the corner here you have the time-lapse videos. More features that I can talk about here is you have the flash icon here, then you have this option which is for live images. Now basically what live images are, GIF images. Then you have this icon, that's the timer, so you can set timer for 3 seconds and 10 seconds. And another feature here is this, which lets you choose different filters for your photos. So you can scroll through a number of filters like vivid, then there's vivid warm, vivid cool, dramatic, dramatic warm, and more such features like these. Now the selfie camera, as I've already mentioned, it's a 7 megapixel camera that you get on the iPhone XR. Now with the selfie camera you can also use portrait mode, and you have more features to play around with, like stage light mono, then stage light, then there's contour light, then there's studio light, and this one which is natural light, which is a normal portrait mode. Then there's the square format as well for selfies. Then you can take videos, but sadly you cannot take slow motion videos and time-lapse videos with the selfie camera. But you can play around with the filters as well, which I've already mentioned. And you can also take live images for selfies and set timers as well. So this is what the iPhone XR's camera has in store. That's a 12 megapixel wide angle single camera at the back and a 7 megapixel front camera. We'll be back with more such videos, so keep watching this space.